Immerse in the art of whisking. In the world of whisks, variety is the spice of life. From the voluminous balloon whisk to the robust flat whisk, each brings its own charm to the culinary table. A power stirrer for your creamiest concoctions and frothiest delicacies. Silicone whisks, gentle yet durable, are non-stick cookware's best friend. And for the bakers among us, the bread whisk is a secret weapon for perfect dough. Dabble in specialty whisks like gravy, ball, and semi-automatic for a modern twist in your whisking adventures. But remember, a whisk is only as good as its care. Clean, store, and maintain your whisk collection for a lifetime of culinary success. So whether you're whipping up a storm or gently folding in ingredients, choose the right whisk and experience the joy of perfect whisking. Because at the end of the day, it's all about whiskful thinking. For more, please visit culinarycrossover.com.